By the time you reach 40, you've spent decades performing, auditioning for people who never deserved a seat in your head, a boss, a relative, a voice from 20 years ago that still somehow gets a vote. Here's what the Stoics understood 2,000 years ago. The opinion of the crowd is the most expensive thing you can buy, and it's worth nothing. In the next few minutes, I'll give you 7 Stoic rules to stop caring what people think. Rule number 5 is the one most people get completely backwards, and it's the one that changes everything. I'm Aurel. On this channel, Quiet Power, we take the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus and turn it into something you can actually use today in the life you're actually living. So let's begin. Not with theory, with rules you can apply before this video ends. Rule 1, separate what is yours from what is theirs. Epictetus opened his entire philosophy with one idea. Some things are up to you. Most things are not. Your actions, your effort, your character, yours. What another person thinks of those actions, not yours. It never was. When you catch yourself spiraling over someone's opinion, ask one question. Is this mine to control? If the answer is no, you set it down. Not because you're cold, because you're free. That sounds simple, but wait until you see how it applies to family, because that's where Rule 4 gets uncomfortable. Rule 2, remember that people think about you far less than you fear. Marcus Aurelius wrote his private journal, reminding himself of this. The man who ran the Roman Empire still had to talk himself out of caring about gossip. Here's the truth. The person you're worried about is worried about their own audience. Everyone is the anxious star of their own show. That embarrassing thing you replayed for a decade? They forgot it by Tuesday. You've been serving a sentence for a crime nobody remembers. Rule 3, welcome the insult as a test. Seneca said the wise man is like a rock in the surf. The waves crash, the rock stays. When someone criticizes you, you have a choice in the half second that follows. React and hand them control of your afternoon, or observe and keep it. Say to yourself quietly, this is the exact moment I trained for. The disrespect becomes a rep, and you get stronger while they get nothing. Now, Rule 4, this is the one that stops most people because it involves the people you love. Rule 4, stop explaining yourself to people committed to misunderstanding you. After 40, you learn a hard lesson. Some people don't want your reasons. They want your surrender. And every explanation you offer is just more rope in a tug-of-war you never needed to enter. The Stoics practice silence as a form of strength. Not the silence of resentment, the silence of a person who has made peace with being misunderstood by those who were never really listening. You don't owe everyone a commentary on your life. No is a complete sentence. So is a calm, unbothered smile. Rule 5, and this is the one people get backwards. Most people think confidence means not caring what anyone thinks. That's not wisdom, that's just a wall. The Stoic move is sharper. Care deeply about the opinion of a very small number of people whose judgment you actually respect, and feel nothing about the rest. Marcus called them the wise few. Pick your handful, your standards, a couple of people of real character, and the person you're becoming. Everyone else is weather. You don't argue with the weather. You just dress for it. That's the shift. Not I care about no one, but I care about the right ones, and I've stopped auditioning for strangers. 2 rules left, and Rule 7 is the one that finally makes us permanent. Rule 6, act, then let go of the result. Seneca said, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Half of caring what people think is just rehearsing their judgment in advance. So do the thing, send the message, make the change. Then release your grip on how it lands. You are responsible for the effort. You are not responsible for the applause. When you stop needing the outcome, you finally become free to act at all. Rule 7, remember you are going to die. Not morbid, clarifying. The Stoics called it memento mori. Remember your mortality. Stand at the end of your life and look back. Will you regret the risk you took, or the years you spent shrinking so 7 Stoic rules to stop caring what people think. Separate what's yours. Remember, they barely